Welcome to the Alpha Training and Consulting's online training program. Today we're going to answer the question, what is central tendency? That's a good question. Keep in mind that we do offer ASQ certification preparation classes. We've been doing it for over 20 years and we've become very good at it. We'd be very honored to have you as a student. With that being said, let's move on to the central tendency. There are three common measures of central tendency, often referred to as the average, which includes the mean, which is the center of gravity of the distribution, if you will, the median, which is the middle number, and the mode, the most frequently occurring numbers. That's what we're working on today. We'll show you how to calculate each one of those. They're pretty easy. I'm sure you know how to calculate the mean, so I've thrown together some numbers here for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to do the median first. And the way you do the median, first you have to line the numbers up according to magnitude. So least to greatest or greatest to least, doesn't matter, you're going to pick the middle number. But let's just keep it, as I guess, one rule going. I would arrange them from least to greatest, and then you just pick the middle number to get the median. Okay, so the median of this would be 3. There you go right there. Now the mode is non-existent in this data set. Why? The mode is the most frequently occurring number. Well, none of these numbers take place more frequently than any other number. Therefore, the mode is not defined. If I was to add a 1, that's what I did down here. We changed the set of numbers to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 takes place twice. The other ones take place once. So the mode would be 1. Okay. Now, let me see if there's anything else. I kind of skipped the mean, but you know how to do the mean. You add the numbers together, divide it by the number of numbers you added together, and that gives you the mean. So we have a mean of 3, a median of 3, and a mode that's non-defined on this one. Now, there's another thing I should bring up also. This is pretty easy with the median when you have odd number sample size, but what if I put 6 in there? Then what would the middle number be? Well, when you have an even size sample, you take the two middle numbers. So if there was a 6 on the end, the two middle numbers, there'd be 2 on this side now and 2 on this side. These are the two middle numbers. You'd take the average of those. The average of 4 and 3 is 3.5. So that would be the median should I add 6 to this group. So hopefully that's helpful. And that's how you do those. Those are the three elements of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. Another thing you should know, the normal distribution, the mean equals the median equals the mode. And you can even give yourself a good idea if it's normal or not by calculating the mean, the median, and the mode of a given set of data. And if they're close to being equal, you feel more confident that it's normally distributed. Now, this is kind of the old-fashioned way of doing it. We have much more sophisticated and accurate ways of doing it now. And we talked about that in a previous module on doing normality plots, etc. So anyway, keep that in mind, but that's the end of this lecture. Remember, if you have any questions, you can please contact me and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. And again, keep in mind that we'd love to help you with your ASQ certification exam preparation classes. Keep us in mind. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.